Are suggested replies not working on the Microsoft Teams app? If reply suggestions aren't appearing, the feature is missing, or smart replies have stopped working. In this video, I will show you how to fix suggested replies on Microsoft Teams app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Teams. Then here in this page, you will go to above to this window. After that, you will find settings. You will tap on your settings. Then here in this list of settings you will find chats. You will tap here, and then what you will find is suggested replies. You will tap here in this feature, and if this feature is changed, then you can know how to fix this problem in easy way, as you see, and you can enable it. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.